culture here at Mossberg is we don't want to tell the consumer what they should have. We want to make sure we're responding to what the consumer wants. So a couple of the things that we did when we looked at making a really good pistol grip solution, and this was actually born out of a contract that we did for an allied foreign government for a breaching shotgun, and that was to take a pistol grip shotgun and move the safety to where it's been optimized for that pistol grip, because that doesn't exist, or prior to this, it didn't exist in the space. Whether it was our gun with the top tank safety or a competitor gun with a trigger guard safety, you still had to break your master grip to administratively handle the shotgun, loading, unloading, making ready, things of that nature. You don't have to do that with this gun. With our pistol grip version, you'll notice that my master grip, I can keep that thumb at the safety, and I can access the action release with that same thumb. If I were left-handed, I'd simply use the bump of my knuckle to disengage that and my thumb to manipulate the safety. So we never have to break that master grip. We never have to get our finger near the trigger guard.